No, that's a normal person.
No, that's the robot.
No, that's a normal person.
Let's talk for a
talking.
bit. Want a bit?
Okay.
Want a bit money? All right, bet what deal?
Oh.
What deal? Hey, baby.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. Feel free to order whenever you are ready.
Man, ain't got nothing here I want. Oh my God, bro. What I'm gonna eat? I want some chicken.
You get some chicken later on today.
I want some chicken now. I'm home. How you doing? So, I want some chicken.
Why you telling me you want some
I want some goddamn chicken.
Well, baby, you can't get no chicken. Crystals don't serve their chicken.